Each one of us is born with telomeres, located at the tips of our chromosomes that protect our genetic information in the process of cellular reproduction. A Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded for work in this field in 2009, and what we have learned is that as telomeres shorten, we age. LifeLength is a new company founded in September 2010 with the objective of commercializing the world's most precise telomere analysis technology developed by Dr. Maria Blasco, director of the Spanish National Cancer Research Center in Madrid. Dr. Blasco and her team made key contributions in the telomere and telomerase field, including the first demonstration of the anti-aging activity of telomerase, the discovery of telomeric RNA, and the importance of telomerase activity and telomere rejuvenation during nuclear reprogramming.
In my laboratory, we have developed a technology that allows us to visualize individual telomeres within the cell nucleus. This is very important because telomere length is very heterogeneous within a single cell, and therefore it's important to be able to measure every individual telomere signal. So telomeres are the ends of our chromosomes, where our genes are located, packages, and telomeres are very important to secure the stability of chromosomes and are essential for the life of the cells. Interestingly enough, these telomeres are lost every time that a cell divides, and this progressive and cumulative telomere shortening is thought to be one of the causes of why our cells are mortal and why our organism ages, why we have a limited lifespan.
Dr. Blasco's team has made important technological advances by developing very sensitive, high-throughput techniques to measure telomere length, as well as the presence of very short telomeres in blood and tissue samples, which is now commercially available through the company LifeLength. Stephen J. Matlin is CEO of LifeLength. Mr. Matlin brings over 20 years' experience as a senior executive, investment banker, and entrepreneur to the company. He is one of the founders of LifeLength together with Dr. Maria Blasco and the Botín Foundation of Spain. Mr. Matlin was also one of the first to have his telomeres tested at LifeLength.
My results indicate that my chronological age, which is 43, based on my percentage of critically short telomeres, indicates a biological age of about 37. So a reasonably good result in terms of my biomarker. And that's based on my percentage of critically short telomeres measured against our database. We've done about 1,000 tests this year, and as I said, I think next year we hope to do at least 10,000, possibly more. In terms of the longer time frame, cholesterol testing, which for us is a good reference, is a market of about 400 million tests a year globally. And we think that over the next decade, as we scale our technology and as this becomes more affordable, and as physicians and individuals see the clinical validity of it, it can grow to something of a similar order of magnitude. And that's without considering the value that this has for drug development.
Yes, the LifeLength telomere test will tell us whether the degree of aging of our cells corresponds or not to our chronological age. In case it appears that our biological age is older than our chronological age, there are also a number of studies, mostly epidemiological studies, that show that changing life habits can actually reverse this tendency or this fact of having shorter telomeres. So there are factors like physical exercise, certain nutritional complements that have been shown to be positive on the length of our telomeres.
The LifeLength telomere test is state-of-the-art and the only analysis in the world capable of measuring the abundance of short telomeres in blood and tissue samples. The LifeLength telomere test is now available to all of us.
It's available in Spain and Portugal through our 2 laboratory partners. In the US and in Europe in the coming months we'll be announcing new partnerships, and people who want to do the test can simply visit our webpage, lifelength.com, to see how to proceed and obtain information.
Whether as a general indicator of health or more ambitiously as a biomarker guiding how we can live longer, healthier lives, telomere tests are now a reality, and in the years to come are likely to be as commonplace as cholesterol tests are today. To learn more, or if you want to have your telomeres tested, contact LifeLength at lifelength.com.